kung hindi man nagfo-fall sa demographics yung Encantadix, I would say that nasa psychographics yung Encantadix. Sila talaga yung may pinaka-interest or motivation para manood ng series.
Mm.
I can say that they want more and more
Mm.
of the story of the series. Kasi Encantadia is one of a kind. Parang it's at the top of the chart of Telefantasia or fantasy series in the Philippines.
Mm.
Maraming bata, matandang audience na gustong magtuloy-tuloy yung kwento ng Encantadia. Kaya nga rin siya tinitlean or pinamagatang Encantadia Chronicles at the top of Sangre. Kasi
Mm.
uh, Miss Suzette Doctolero, among others, want na magtuloy-tuloy yung Chronicles ng Encantadia. Hindi siya
Mm.
magtatapos sa Sangre. Hopefully, yeah, I personally wish na talagang mag-extend, magkaroon ng different avenues.
Mm. Actually, wish din po kasi it's a very popular Filipino series nga. Ayun din po, and even though it incorporates like yung mythology ng ibang ano, it's also taking heavy inspiration from Filipino mythology. And as you said nga din po na like children watch the shows, mga Filipino families, it's really giving them insight on mythology and giving them interest po sa mythology.
Yes. And
So,
speaking of Family K,
mm,
meron ako napanood na TikTok video na tatay, tatay
mm,
to ah. I mean, not to to discount yung pagiging tatay or lalaki niya, pero nanonood ng Encantadia.
mm,
'Di ba? So it
yeah.
goes to show na naagaw na yung male audience from the other network. Just kidding.